Good day to you all. I am Jeremy Lantin, a STEM student from the class of grade 11 Blessed Jose Maria of Manila. After almost 12 years of being a student in this institution, I can say that I have been molded into the person I am today. And one aspect of school life that is essential to the individual's development of their identity, passion, and character is its extracurricular activities. And Lourdes School of Mandaluyong offers just that. In its mission of forming men of excellence and character, the school offers several opportunities for its students to find their passions, improve on their skill sets, and unlock their potentials. It offers a wide range of interest clubs, sports varsities, and school organizations, and even opportunities for showcase of talents and skills throughout of school and at times international competitions. I, for one, am currently a member of the Lourdesian Film Circle Club, post-production staff in the Lourdes Loop, the social media team, a member of the Science Honor Circle, assistant editor-in-chief in The Link, the official school publication, and was formerly the junior high school president of the student government, the Supreme Student Council. I was also able to participate in a number of out-of-school programs and even international contests, one of which is the University of the Philippines Return on Investment Case Competition and UTELARA, an international case study contest wherein I competed with students from Indonesia and Thailand and bagged the Most Creative Solution Award. These activities greatly helped me in the discovery of my own identity and personality. My leadership roles in several organizations in particular were some of the most character-building experiences I had the honor to be a part of. It helped me find my passions, improve on my strengths and weaknesses, and learn to work with others. Not to mention, I was also able to apply all that I have learned from these extracurriculars and boost my academic performance. Here in LSM, rest assured, your sons will be able to explore their interests and express themselves fully. Whether he be a man of sports, a man of literacy, or a Christian leader, Lourdes School of Mandaluyong is the best partner for your child's development.